can I do if my ex is not spending child support money on the kids? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law. We had this issue come up a couple of weeks ago. It comes up often, actually, because you have these situations where parents are paying child support and they have some insight into how the other parent is living and spending. And sometimes these people paying out the money for child support feel like the money is not going to the kids, and it can be very frustrating. So the best way to think about this is that what you can do about this is probably nothing, unfortunately. And the reason for that is that the court uses the child support guidelines to figure out child support and to issue orders. And the way that the child support guidelines works is that, first of all, you figure out what the parenting arrangement is. And then once you have an idea of what the parenting arrangement is and what percentage of the parenting time is with which parent, there is a formula that's used to calculate support. And that formula does not include anything about what percentage of that money is being spent on the kids. You basically figure out which parent has what percentage of the parenting time, plug in the numbers, you have a formula, you have a recommended child support amount that's produced by that formula, and then the judge has some discretion to deviate for certain reasons. But we've never seen a judge deviate for the reason of a parent not spending enough money on the kids. So you can't really do anything about that in a vacuum. In other words, if all you have is, I think this money is going to this or that, instead of the kids, it's going to her personally, she's spending it on herself personally and not the kids, it's going to be almost impossible to make any headway. However, one workaround is that if the children's needs are not being met, then that may be a reason for the judge to step in. And most likely that would involve a change in the parenting time, because if the kids' needs aren't being met, then that means that a modification on parenting time might be the way to go. So you cannot just walk into a courtroom and say, hey, judge, he or she is not spending the money I'm giving on the kids, and it's going to other things. However, if you have some evidence that the children are not being provided for, are being neglected, the children's needs aren't being met, then that may be a reason for a modification. You should definitely talk to a family law attorney before you file anything like that, because this is tricky territory and you want to make sure that you don't open up a Pandora's box. If you have any other questions about this, you can call us 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our channel and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. You can also find us on social at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.